Metta Voyage is proud to announce that we would participate in World Travel Market 2023 in London, the influential global event that brings together travel professionals, industry leaders, and visionaries from 182 countries around the world. With the vision of Metta Voyage steered by Mr. Phan Trong Thang, the CEO, and navigated by Mr. Nguyen Quang Bach, the COO, the company showcased unparalleled experiences from the heart of Southeast Asia to the world stage.
I am Nguyễn Cường Bách, the CEO and the co-founder of Metta Voyage. This year's Metta Voyage, we visit to the World Travel Market 2023.
Our presence here allows us to share the beauty of Southeast Asia, especially Vietnam, with passionate travelers and partners.
We hope that this occasion will help us to introduce the beauty of Vietnam as well as the Southeast Asia countries. And therefore, we may expand our network, expand our connections to the travel agency worldwide.
Over the course of 3 eventful days, from November 6th to the 8th, Metta Voyage's team engaged in fruitful discussions, formed cooperation, and shared their love for travel with many valued partners.
We strongly believe that Metta Voyage will expand the network as well as the quality of the tour operator, and therefore we may serve the travelers better in the future.
Metta Voyage is also very proud to have Mr. Nguyen Hoang Long, Vietnam's ambassador to the UK, and members in WTM Organizing Committee visiting our booth at the market. As WTM London 2023 draws to a close, Metta Voyage takes with them not just business prospects, but stories and connections that will inspire journeys for years to come. Let's discover more about Metta Voyage by visiting our website and following our journey on Facebook. Embark with us and let the voyage of a lifetime begin.